What up you guys, welcome back to another mukbang with me, Barton Fresh. Alright you guys, today we got Wingstop and In-N-Out again. I know you guys are all saying that in the comment section. Guys, I love eating In-N-Out and Wingstop. I'm never gonna stop, I love it. Alright, so guys, I've got Wingstop's mango habanero chicken sandwich. I've got Wingstop's garlic parmesan wings. I've also got their mango habanero wings and buffalo wings. Oh yeah, I've also got Wingstop's Voodoo fries. And I've only got one thing from In-N-Out. I've got their animal style fries. And I've also got ranch and cheese sauce from Wingstop. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Let's get all of this food in my belly right now. Garlic parmesan wings. In-N-Out's animal style fries. I love these fries, you guys. These are my favorite fries. These two are my favorite fries from the fast food industry. If you guys don't know what this sauce is, I mean not sauce, if you guys don't know what these fries are, it's Wingstop's loaded fries, topped with ranch, cheese sauce, and the fries are seasoned in Cajun seasoning. That was a fail. I don't know why some of you guys think I'm always high when I'm eating this. I'm not high. This one time, Kim and I were in Orlando and we were going on that Ferris wheel in Orlando. It's like some big Ferris wheel. I don't know what it's called. I don't know where it is, but it's in Orlando and it's like a big Ferris wheel. It's like Orlando's Ferris wheel, I guess. I'm not sure. We're hopping on the Ferris wheel and the employee at the Ferris wheel place, he looks at me, he's like, yo, you're high, you're high. I'm like, no, I'm not. And he's like, bro, it's okay. You could tell me I am too. I'm like, bro, I'm not. I'm like, I'm literally not. He's like, yo, you don't have to lie, bro. He's like, me too, bro. I just smoked and stuff, blah, blah. I'm like, no, I'm not. Like, I'm not. I don't smoke. I'm not high. Rest in peace, Ranch.